this one too.
Oh, what is that?
Where's that garbage bag go, Ben?
Over there.
Where's the other one go?
I don't know. Is it?
That's on the floor.
Is it back behind there, bro?
What'd you get?
Oh, no.
She added more to it.
Cool, Lennon. Hold it up so I can see
I might
it.
have grabbed it.
Whoa!
No, I didn't like it.
Cool.
That's gonna be fun.
Bentley, what did you get?
Say to Bree and
What
Cody.
is this?
Balance beam.
Did you get Play-Doh?
Play-Doh.
You're welcome, Lennon. Okay, this one.
Thank
I don't
you.
remember what the rest of them are.
Okay, Bentley, you get to open another one.
Open your presents.
Cool, Bentley.
Open.
Can you say thank you, Bentley?
Say thank you to Bree and Cody.
Don't let him open the one from Brenda yet. Here, let him open this one. Here.
Bentley.
That's from Betsy and Lennon and Brent. What's in there?
It's Spider-Man.
You got some clothes?
Cool.
Holy cow.
Wow. What'd you get?
Iron Man. What is
Give
it?
Give me the box. Let's see what you got for
It's
clothes.
just like the puzzle you wanted to play with.
What'd you get for clothes?
Listen, it's a puzzle.
Oh, man.
There's 3 puzzles in there, and they get harder as each puzzle goes. It becomes one puzzle. What do you say to?
Hey, Betsy, he's opening Brenda's.
You're
It's the same
welcome.
size as Lennon's.
Well, they might be different. They're cool.
I know, but this is from Aunt Brenda, you guys.
Dolphins.
Look at the camera and say thanks, Aunt Brenda.
I'm guessing.
Brenda. And Jared. Say Jared.
Good job, Bentley. You're almost there.
Say thank you. Tear it.
Did he already open mine? Is that why
Open it?
the clothes are everywhere? Okay, this one.
Oh, that's so cute.
Alright. Let's see what's in here.
I know. Look at she wrote on it. It says,
Oh,
I
my.
love you. Merry Christmas. Love, Brenda
Look at this
and
jacket.
Jared.
Wow. Petty officer.
Oh, look at it. It's so cute. Look back.
Oh, cool.
So that's
Open it
cool.
slowly because it might be tricky.
Look at what she got.
Look,
at
Bentley,
the
there's pockets.
You want to
It's
try it on?
got money in
What's
it.
in it?
Oh, wow.
It's wrapped in there. Be careful.
You want to try it on?
Do you see it? What is it?
Look at all the pockets.
Oh, my God.
Oh, wow.
That's neat.
Oh, Bentley, look at you.
You were.
Yeah, go show Brittany it.
Let me see. Did she get you a watch?
Wow.
Couldn't find it.
Can you put it on?
Lennon, do you like it?
Here. No, this is Lennon's.
Lennon, do you like it? Can you look at the camera and say thanks, Brenda? Aww.
Wow, that's cool, man.
Bentley, yours is super cool, too.
Look at Brittany. That's what I put.
There you go.
You remember?
Oh, cool, buddy.
You,
Bentley,
Let's
look
see
at
it,
how
Lennon.
cool you
Lennon, let's
look.
see it.
Cody.
Look at Bentley.
You got pockets all over. Right here.
Lennon,
You got 4
Lennon.
pockets.
find out what else is in that
Look,
box.
there's more
Right
in
here.
He wants to put his hands in it, yeah.
Oh, there's something in every pocket.
What is it?
Look at that.
Let's hear Betsy.
What'd you get, Bentley?
Oh my goodness, you got a polo shirt.
Is that candy?
And then this.
And polo pants.
Yeah, looks
Can you say thank you?
Is it full of pants?